Hey everyone, welcome to Two Nerdy Families, where we do the research so you don't have to.
Today we're going to be looking at the live ring light that you can do around your cell phone or your GoPros or anything like that, just to give you that nice warm look around your camera.
And we're going to get into it right after this. All right, Johnny, let's get this thing unboxed.
Alrighty, this is the Whiz Power. So right in here, first thing you got your instructions manual.
Yeah, it looks like it's mostly for a cell phone. I'll have to see if there's a way that you can rig up a GoPro maybe.
Yeah, they come with a little thank you card. Comes with a remote for your power.
Yeah, so on that controls there, it looks like, I think this controls cycles through the different modes. So either your bright white light or your cool light, or like your kind of the yellow warm light, and then this is just the brightness up and down. Nice little tripod. It's pretty sweet.
Also, you know, this is where you can put your mount of your GoPro and or your camera that you're going for.
So yeah, I think that's meant for a cell phone. Does it expand? Oh yeah, it does. When it's spring loaded.
Mm-hmm. And then this would go nicely onto your tripod. And then
just throw it on that tripod there.
So you have your tripod or any other ones. Is like kind of, I would imagine, like your selfie stick. What?
All right, so with the USB in, I guess we could plug it in a brick over there, or why don't we just try it right in the laptop?
All right, let's do it. Okay, it has a nice little backlit to let you know that there's power to it.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's turn it on.
Hey.
So this is your natural, your warm, and then a mixture of the two.
Then it has...
So it has the three modes, and then
the brightness up and down, huh? All right, let me see your face.
This is going all the way down. This is going all the way up.
And that's the
cool light.
And the cool light, huh?
And then this is the warm. And this is both of them together.
Nice. That's pretty slick. Now let's grab your phone and see if we can hook it up. All right, so we get your cool light. It looks like that's the cool white there, or like the, yeah, then there's the warm white and the mix. So we go back to the cool. I don't know if you can see with the GoPro, just there you can tell it's definitely dim. There's the warm. That's the mix. So yeah, it's pretty versatile, I guess, as far as like what color you're looking for in the brightness. What we should try is grabbing that GoPro out of there, see if we can rig that up.
All it is there you go.
There you go. So we can get the GoPro in there too. With that though, you won't be able to see the back, but you can just get the GoPro app going on your phone and be able to watch it that way.
I'm thinking of for our new camera. Because I think that this is going to be perfect, you know, but then again, I think it's going to be more for the desk, right?
Yeah, I think they have other ones that will mount right to the camera.
Because this is probably how close we need to be, right?
Yeah. It looks, I mean, looks like it's pretty good lighting on you.
I did go to the lake. You know, I probably have a nice little...
Yeah, I think that'll be great for either the GoPro or a cell phone. I mean, we don't really use the cell phones too much, but for those out there that want to use a cell phone with this, it'd be great. But GoPro would be great too.
Bryce, I don't read Chinese.
Let's see. Yeah. Let me help you out there. Oh, it's English on this side. So we've got on, off, LED, and then just button. Operating system communication. Can't really say.
All right, so this is pretty cool. So the remote, we just read, and it does look like it's Bluetooth compatible. So let's see with doing it with my phone. Alrighty, so I'm gonna pair it with a new device. Look for it. And set it AB. Oh, AB shutter. There it is. Pairing. Pair. Alright, it's connected, so let's see. Yours, Bryce, myself. What up?
Oh,
dude.
So, yeah, that's pretty sweet. So then when you have it in the mount and you're a little bit away from it, you can take pictures.
Yeah, so let's check it out. Get this GoPro out. Put me beautiful cell phone there. Whoop. Okay. See if I can look dashing.
Oh.
Mysterious.
After you get done with your...
Putting on my mascara.
Yeah, I mean, get up to that light.
Pros and cons. Let's go over.
Pros and cons. I mean, I think the first thing wasn't terribly clear what the remote was for at first, but as we got reading, seeing it was Bluetooth, and it said Modeli shutter, we paired it with our phone and figured out that's what it was for, but the instructions weren't too clear on that. So I mean, even on the instructions, it doesn't say too much about the remote itself. It shows that it's being used here, but it wasn't terribly clear that it's to run the camera.
Packaging actually looks pretty good. Looks like it was nice and kept pretty safe. No damaging to the box nor to the light that's there.
I like that it's got both the cool white and the warm white, and in between, and then you've got the brightness levels all in like one remote. It's got a versatile stand. I mean, it'll work for a cell phone or a GoPro, but not like a big DSLR camera or something like that. I think that this is almost maybe, I don't know, a little too high. It might be perfect for the GoPro, but for like a phone, if you put the phone lower to be more center, then you're going to be hitting buttons and stuff. But
yeah.
And then does this rotate a lot if you loosen that up?
If you loosen it, you can move this
pretty much any direction. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, the tripod seems pretty solid construction. And then just being USB, I mean, you could just get like a USB brick, plug it into that and into your wall, or into a computer, laptop if you're on the go. Yeah, I mean, seems pretty cool.
All in all, it's pretty good.
Pretty good.
What was the price again for it?
At least for the price, I mean, it's $29.99, so $30. It's made by WizPower. So far, just a few reviews. Got some pretty good visuals just so you can see what to use it for. But yeah, I mean, it's on there. It's on Amazon Prime, so $30. Pretty decent little light. I mean, there's other lights that I saw on there that go for upwards of 80 to 100 bucks. So this one, I think, for the price is pretty decent.
Does its job.
Okay. All right, everyone. So there you have it. There's the WizPower ring light. Leave us some comments. Tell us what you think. Tell us some other ring lights that you prefer. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. And that's it for Tuned Families. We'll see you next time.
Peace.